Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how you can buy Robux in Roblox. Now open the Roblox application. When you open the Roblox application, if you try to buy Robux from your application, you do not have that option. For that, you need to go and open the Google Chrome on your phone device. On the search bar of Google, you need to go to roblox.com. and press search. Once you do that, you will be asked whether you want to continue on your mobile application or you want to continue in browser. You tap on continue in browser. Now you need to get logged in into the account of yours. Type in your details, then tap on login. Now once you are logged in into the account, what you need to do is you need to go to the Roblox. Just on the heading there's discover, marketplace, create and Roblox. You tap that. As you can see on the screen, there's the amount and Roblox packages. Now all you need to do over here is choose the amount of Robux you would like to buy. If you want to buy 400 with the dollar of 4.99, you can go and tap that. So you need to go through the payment method for this. You need to do a secure payment with Roblox, and you have all these different payment method over here. There's credit card, debit card, PayPal, redeem Roblox card and other option as well. So you choose your option and make the payment. Then in the checkout section, you need to provide your card details. You need to provide all the details and you need to tap on pay over there. So once you tap on pay, it will complete the purchase and the amount of Roblox you bought is going to be added to your balance on Roblox. So this is a way how you can buy Robux in Roblox. Roblox allows you to purchase, upgrade for your avatar or buy special abilities in experience. There are a lot of packages for you. You can go and choose the package that is needed to you. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.